Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a game pass on Roblox. So first of all you have to go to in roblox.com on browser. So you have to use browser to create your game pass. Just enter here. Now once you enter, just go to just click on create tab, and when you click on create tab it will take you to the creator hub, and now you have to click on this dashboard. Once you click on dashboard, now you have to click on your default experience. This is will be by your username. So just click on it. And now you have to open the menu by tapping on three bar and click on this associate item. Now you will see here passes. Just click on it. And now you can create your game pass on game pass. Just click on it. And now you just need to enter your name of the game pass like A, and here you have to enter the description like demo, and now you have to click on this create pass. But before that, if you want to change the image of your game pass, you can change it. You have to upload an image with extension JPG, PNG and BMP. So you can, to change, you just need to click on this change button. Once you upload, just click on create a pass. So once your game pass will be created, now you just need to click on your game pass to make it or to set up for the sale. So when you click on it, it will open the basic setting of the game pass. So to set up for the sale, you have to click on this sale option. You will get these options by tapping on the menu button if you are on phone and click on sale. Now you just need to click on this item for sale, enter the cost here like 300, and now you just need to click on save changes. Once you save it, now you just need to open please donate game to add your game pass in the please donate. So once you open the game, guys, now just need to go to any amenity stand, and to add your game pass you just need to hold this E button to claim your stand, and your game pass will be listed here. So that's how you can sell your items and game pass here on your in the please donate. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.